Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to add a bio to your Tinder profile. So first, go ahead and open the Tinder app on your mobile device. Then tap on the bottom right corner of your screen. This will open the profile section. This is where you can edit your profile's information. Here you see an pen icon on your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. And scroll down until you see About Me. Tap on About Me. Here you can write any short and simple bio. So I'll just go ahead and write Be Yourself, and after you're done, you can simply go ahead and tap on the back icon on the top left. This will automatically save your bio to your profile. Now you guys know how to add a bio in Tinder. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.